Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Prakash. I am a physics graduate student. I did my graduation from College of Physics Dholi, Bihar, and currently I am pursuing my master's degree in aquatic animal health management from ICAR CFE Mumbai. In ICAR PG entrance exam, my rank was 25, and I also secured 4th rank in Best Physics Graduate of India exam conducted by Professional Physics Graduate Forum (PFGF). Today I am here to share my this preparation journey with you all, which may help some of you in your preparation also. So my whole preparation is divided into two phases. I will say first phase that includes the first 3 years of the BFSC, where along with these class lectures I was studying different books that was available in the library, and also the e-course. And with the help of these two, I was preparing notes for the different courses of the semester, and that helped me a lot during my semester exams, and also in the last semester for revising all the courses in a very short period of time. So in the second phase, that is last year of BFSC, I started revising this notes from November, I think, and I also started focusing more on few very important books. That includes Handbook of Aquaculture, then Fish Breeding and Seed Production of Finfish and Shellfish by P.C. Thomas, then this Fish Craft, Gear and Craft Technology by Lata Sinoy, then this Post-Harvest Technology of Fish and Fish Products by K.K. Balachandran, then Fish Biology and Fisheries by S.S. Khanna. These 5 books are very important, and they are not only important for this our entrance exam, but they are important for any exam that is related to fisheries. So they are very important. Just I will suggest to go line by line of these books, try to make short notes and summarize the things so that you can revise it again and again. Everybody has different strategy of their study, so you can highlight the things in the book also to revise the thing. If you will make short notes, you can summarize the things in a better way, I feel. You can make a table, you can make a flow chart that will help you to memorize the things very well. For example, I will say if you are studying finfish breeding, I think, so in that case you can write you can make the table and you can write the species name, their breeding season, their fecundity, their egg color, egg size. Like that you can make. It will be very easy for you to revise the things again and again, keep it in mind for a longer. So in that way you can revise. And one more thing I will suggest, while studying these books, try to focus more on the tabular parts, like tables, figures, or any kind of flow chart that is given in the chapter. You focus more on those things. It is very important. So many questions come from that part, I feel, and that are very important. Next to that, study annual reports of the different recent annual reports of the different institutes. From that, you will come to know that recent developments or recent developments of our sector. What are the different technologies being developed? What are the recent trends? The recent disease emergence in our country? There are different this treatment techniques that is being developed. And other than that, read the SOFIA report also, recent SOFIA report. That will also help you. And summarize these reports in some notebook, so that you can revise the things. And next to that, solve as many questions as you can. That is very important. And there are so many MCQ question banks are available in the market right now. And other than this Ratna Kumar is also very important. I will say that so many questions will come from that book. So you must revise this Ratna Kumar at least 4 or 5 times, I will say. And not only remember the answers of the questions, just try to go in the depth of the question, so that if the question will come related to that also, you will be able to solve. That is important, I will say. And next to that, Next to that this is not a so like that a tough exam. I would say it's a easy one. So be relaxed, be confident, study hard, and try to come to like go to CIP. The life and the campus in Mumbai and CIP is very different. It's very good. So study hard, go there. Good luck. And those who are going to appear the exam like this year, very good luck to them. Thank you. Thank you all.